Sock printers, with their high precision inkjet technology, allow our imagination to be instantly represented on sock. You have the freedom to choose patterns, colors, and details to create unique socks. Whether it's a cartoon image, personal photo, abstract art, or minimalist style, the sock printer can make it happen easily. The rapid production capabilities of sock printers allow us to meet individual needs instantly. No more waiting weeks or even months for production. You can have your own custom socks in a day or two. Moreover, you can customize it at any time. Everything is under your control. Best of all, these custom socks are more than just a statement of personality. They will fit your feet perfectly and provide a comfortable fit. Sock printers use high quality materials to ensure the quality and durability of socks. Whether it's the stability during exercise or the comfort of daily wear, you can feel the unique experience. Whether you are an energetic young person or a business owner who wants to customize socks in a special way, the sock printer can meet your needs and create your own sock fashion. Contact us to start your customized fashion journey.